Here is the option for turn window and tilt and turn window. How it operates is, if you are looking for a wider option, turn window can be maximum 48 inches wide, whereas tilt and turn maximum is 44 inches wide. Both window solve the issues for egress, most probably in the basement where you have limited size option, and without cutting the concrete, in some case you can pass the egress. So how it operates is it just unlock and you open it. It comes with a multi-point lock system. Now it opens inside of the house, and then if you turn wide open for egress purpose, and also come with a box screen. These are the multi-point lock, which is it's all around the window, so gives you airtight seal. While closing, you close it. Now if we are doing a tilt and turn, then it can operate with the same handle, and you go up and it tilts this way. So if you want to have fresh air and the size is not an issue, you can have tilt and turn. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.